Hey there, everyone. How are you doing? Thank you for selecting this course. Financial Freedom Starts Here. If you know anything about me, I am here to try to really inspire people in this particular session, really get them to talk about money. This particular course really has two goals for me. One is I'm hoping it becomes a way to have conversations with I'll say your children, your loved ones. I believe too much of our consumer based economy is based on price. And I really think it needs to be really flipped on its head and talk about time. I think too many things we do today is about money. When money can be replaced, time cannot. And then, secondly, this is an important discussion for significant others, husband, wife, boyfriend, girlfriend, really, even if you're a single individual, because we need to understand where we sit financially. As you'll see throughout these videos in an interview I did with Jennifer and Jason Pritchard, it's really important to understand where your money is, where it's going, what is left over, what is discretionary. And that's really an important conversation because you can't go down the financial freedom path unless you know where you are, unless you know where you're going. So what I'm going to do in this first video is just bring up the agenda. We're just going to walk through the agenda. I have my puppy here, Jimbo. I wanted to get him recorded on these videos because frankly, he's 15 and a half, almost 16. And I want to make sure I have a video I can look back and say, hi, Jimbo. Hey, Jimbo, say hi. Show your pretty face. Hi, everybody. Happy holidays. Okay, that was for me. So I always have this recorded. So let me share this outline of the course and we will get started. Let me make this a little bit bigger. Bear with me. Okay, here we go. So again, what I'm doing now is just going to go through what's in this course, what you're about to see. This is video number one. It is the overview. It is what you are watching now. I'm then going to have another video kind of telling you my story with money. I think it's always important to understand who is speaking with you and where is their bias. I certainly have a bias. I came into this financial freedom journey from very, very humble beginnings. I came into this journey starting at 30 instead of younger. Um, I started at 30 and maybe some are starting older. You just need to know where I'm coming from. Then I'm going to share with you a story, an interview. It's about an hour long with Jason and Jennifer Pritchard. They share their story. We review the spreadsheets, which you are going to share. We really have a conversation about money, about budgeting. Budgeting is not a dirty word. You got to understand, you have to communicate, you have to make it a habit. And it was impressive to hear Jason and Jennifer share their story. Then we're going to go through a case study, a fictional case study meant for you to see yourself and your friends. Maybe this is a wedding, maybe it's a ball game, maybe it's a dinner, I don't know. But basically, three of your friends, you and two others, are going to go do something together. You all have different incomes. You all have different expenses. And this event is going to cost you each the same. But in reality, it doesn't cost you the same because while you may have different incomes, you have a lot less, you guys have different disposable income levels. And it's that latter one that nobody talks about that gets you in trouble. We're going to talk about the common misunderstandings of financial freedom. I think there are some things that we say too frivolously that we just need to have an honest discussion about. I'm going to share with you my goals for the course. I kind of highlighted them, but I want you to understand and appreciate where I'm coming from and really what I'm trying to do. Then we're going to start talking about the spreadsheets. I think there are two spreadsheets in here. One is really intended to be a facilitation of conversation with your kids, with your significant others about time, not price. We're going to break that down. We're going to talk about what the pieces and parts of that spreadsheet. We'll talk about the lessons that I hope you learned. The first spreadsheet is very easy. My real hope is to create an app that's free, that's downloadable. Be out of this one. It's harder than you would think. Everybody wants to charge me big money to create a free app, but I'm going to find somebody that wants to help me create it. Then we're going to go into spreadsheet number two. Spreadsheet number two is meant to be life-changing for you, the individual, for you, the couple. It puts you on the same page. It's supposed to be your monthly habit. As you will hear Jason and Jennifer talk, they look at stuff like this weekly. I'm going to ask you to at least do it monthly, and it needs to become a habit. We're going to talk about how to use the monthly tracker. We're going to talk about picking a number and looking at over, under, see how you're doing. We're going to highlight the talking points of the spreadsheet and really what is important. Too many people talk about income. They don't talk about what's left over or discretionary. It is earn, save, invest, repeat. People really have that out of whack sometimes. And we're going to talk about and wrap up with the hope for the course and really what I hope family discussions. Money needs to be talked about more. As you see, my experience with money was only negative, right? When you didn't have any, mom and dad got upset. I have that. I still hold that today. So you just got to realize your kids are watching. So you should talk to them about money. And then finally, I have a presentation about how sneaky the rat race is. I believe the rat race is real. I believe the rat race starts the day you leave school. If you drop out of high school, it starts. If you graduate high school, it starts. You graduate college, it starts. You get a PhD, it starts. The rat race is real. Consumerism is real. Inflating your lifestyle is real. So these are things that I'm just really passionate about, and I want to put into this course to help folks. So again, family discussion about money are healthy, and we need to teach and we need to talk about money with our kids. So at the end, that's the opening. Thank you for watching this first episode. Again, I want to have Jimbo on video. Hey, buddy. Oh, you look happy. I'm glad I got this on video. Take care, everybody. We'll get into the next video right now.